Forget everything you've ever learnt about YouTube. The contrast is like day and night. YouTube has shifted its goalposts again. This is a lawnmower. This is a chair. This is a cat. This is a bucket. It's impossible to know what you want anymore, YouTube. YouTube is like one big family of strangers getting together to share time, and it's a good thing. Well, as you can see, yesterday I received this email telling me that I am yet again not approved for monetization. I was going to make a video about it yesterday, but I guess fortunately I had a visitor which prevented me from doing so, and it's probably a good thing because I can tell you it was going to be a bit negative. Anyway, that's it. The curious thing, as you can see here, and notably it's changed the next day, but anyway, luckily I screenshot all the things. The category of what's not being assessed. Now this is the part that kind of in ways flies against everything we've all learnt, is how to promote your channel and grow your channel. Specifically things like I've highlighted, we're not looking at things like how unique your channel is, how political your channel is, sexual orientation or gender identity, the popularity of your videos, how often you upload videos, your engagement with fans. Yeah, I'll let you formulate your own opinion on that. But as I did say on a previous video, I've been thinking about it. You know, there is a good side, as much as that sounds weird, and that is that really you don't have to worry too much about any music you use anymore and having that interfere with your income. I think it's helped with creativity, freeing up that little limitation. And admittedly, this time there was a rough idea of, as it says, here's why your channel wasn't approved for monetization. Duplication. In most cases, you can't re-upload someone else's content unless you get permission first. Remember, it's not enough to get credit, blah, 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 which is all legitimate. You can see on the screen there what they state. And yes, I freely admit there are some videos where I have included some music where I thought it added impact to the video. Now, what's not that clear is if I was to reapply for monetization, whether they'd expect me to delete all videos that do contain that, because that's not going to happen. There's about 700 videos and it's just not going to happen. Or whether they mean from now on, I don't know. At the end of the day, I've always put the quality of the video first ahead of anything like that. And let me say, for anyone that's going, well, no, that's fair, you shouldn't use copyright material, I absolutely agree, to the extent we have a fair use policy, which is recognised pretty well worldwide. There are also other international conventions such as the Berne Convention, US Copyright Code, Italian Copyright Code, and I believe some others. But the point is, here's how it used to work, and I was monetized for many years. We simply, in that scenario, yes, we wouldn't receive any monetization from the video, and that's fair, although in some cases we're talking about, 10 seconds worth of music even. What would happen is they would put ads over the video, which of course you could click off, and the copyright owner would get any money formed from that ad. So it was kind of win-win, and also in a way it kind of promoted their music as well. But there we have it, and it would simply show up as anything that was fine to be monetized would be the green $sign, anything that wasn't would have a strike through, etc. By the way, despite this latest judgment, it still shows that I'm partner verified. I was going to apologise for making such crap videos, but well, that's the way YouTube kind of made me feel. But I do know that yesterday a lot of people were also approved for monetization, so that's the situation. I'm now going to contemplate whether I actually do close my AdSense account, which has been many years in the running, and just cash in the $200 or whatever they owe me. I had held off all this time, but it doesn't look like anything's going to change. So if you can follow YouTube's daily changes of mind, then let me know. Cheers. And YouTube, about the channel art of Hong Kong Harbour, photograph I took in about 2005 and still have the original for. The one that you've had available for millions and millions and millions of people that you never sought permission for nor paid me for.